Okay, Assalamu alaikum my lovely nursery children. How are you all? Hope you all are doing fine. And today we got another week. We are starting new week. And what did you do in weekend? You got 2 days holiday. What did you do? Did you enjoy the weather? You really? Did you go out? Let me know. You can send me a message. You can share me your picture so I know where did you go and what did you do at home. So now let's begin today's date. First we will see what is the day and date today, and then we will start our day with the name of Allah Ta'ala. So let's see. Look, day. Read with me. Date. Today is 24. Which number is this? 24. Today is 24th August. Come on, say August 2020. This is the year 2020. Day. Come on, say. Look at my finger and you say with me. Day. Today is, let's read out the day. Today is Monday. What is the day today? Monday. And today we are going to have our language lesson. Today we will have our language lesson. Okay? So now let's begin the day with the name of Allah Ta'ala. Raise your hand for dua. Very good. Now let's say A'udhu Billahi Minash Shaitanir Rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi Zidni Ilma. Very good. Oh Allah, increase my knowledge. Ameen. Okay. Okay. So now let's sing a song. Do you remember what is this? Spider. And who is here? Come, let's sing the spider song. Come, Adan. Come on, come on, come on. So I have Adan with me today. Adan, can you say Assalamu alaikum to your friends? That these are new friends. Adan, can you show them how to make spider? Do you remember the song? Let's make the spider and sing the song. Come on, make with your finger. Show them, show them. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, like this. Now, spider's leg. Incy wincy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And Incy, come on, make your spider. Incy wincy spider went up the spot again. We will sing one more time, and this time Adan will also sing loudly. Yes, Adan? Yes? Say yes, Auntie.
Yes.
Very good. Let's make the spider and sing loudly. Incy wincy spider went up the water spout. Take it up, take it up. Up, 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 up. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Loudly, sing Adan. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And up again. So Incy Wincy Spider went up again. Okay, let's sing one more song. Which song Adan would you like to sing? With rhyme. Which rhyme do you want to sing with the nursery children? You want to sing Roly Poly? Popcorn rhyme. Oh, there's a popcorn rhyme that Adan's really like to sing. I thought to teach you later, but let's sing with Adan. Okay, let's make your pot. We make a pot with our hand and let's sing the song. We put the oil in the pot. Come on, Adan. We let it get hot. We let it get hot. We put the popcorns in. Let they start to grill. Sizzle, 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 pop. Can you do it, Adan? Sizzle, sizzle. Come on, sizzle them. Sizzle, 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 pop. So that was the popcorn rhyme, and now it's time to start your lesson. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you a sound. You're growing up, now we will learn the sounds. I have got the sound here. See? This is ka. This is ka. and it goes like curve. A curve. It takes a curve and become a curvy cup. Can you make a curve with your hand? You can curve your finger and it will become curvy cup. Cup. Which sound is this? Ka. Now I'm going to show you something that begins with ka. I have some special thing in my basket. So I'm going to show you one by one. Okay, so who knows what is this? Mo. Mo. What is this? What is this? Mo. What is this? What is the name of this animal? Says mo. Mo. Cow. What is this other? Cow. Cow. And what sound coming in the beginning of cow? Cow. Yes. Cow. Now let's see what else we have. Oh, look. Do you see this thing in the air, in the sky? What is this? Cloud. What is this? Cloud. And what sound is coming in the beginning? Cloud. Cloud. And let's see what else we have. Boys and girls, what's this? Zzz. What's this? A car. What is this? Car. Car. And what sound is coming in the beginning of car? Car. Car. Okay. Let's see what else is in my basket. Look, what is this cute thing? Do you know what is this cute thing, Adan? Cup. Cup. What is this? Cup. Cup. And we drink tea in it, or sometimes we can put, you are babies right now, you are young, so you can put juice and you can drink it. Would you like to have some juice? What is this? Cup. And what sound is coming in the beginning? Cup. Say with me. Cup. Okay. Oh, I got a vegetable. Have you seen this vegetable in your fridge? Do you know what is this? Do you know the name of this vegetable? Cup. What cup? Cup? Vegetable. Capsicum. This vegetable name is capsicum. And we cut it and we can put it in noodles and we can put it in soup. And it's very healthy. And the name is capsicum. Capsicum. Come on now, you say. Capsicum. And what is the color of capsicum? What is the color? Do you know what is the color? Green. Green capsicum. Okay, let's see. I got something really special. Who likes this? It's a candy. What is this? Candy. Candy. Yummy candy. Who wants this candy? Who wanted Armish? Or Herman? Omar? Ajia? Hashir? And one more is here. Fatma. Who wants this candy? So when you will come to Nazi auntie will share candy with you. And candy begins with candy. Candy. And the last thing I got two more things to show you. What is this? Do you eat this? Do you eat this? What do we call it? Cookie. It's a cookie. What is this? Cookie. Cookie. Do you want to have a bite? Cookie. And what's the beginning sound? Cup. Cookie. Say with me. Cookie. And I got one last yummy thing in my box that you might have in your home. What is this? Cake. What is this? Cake. Cake. And what's the beginning sound? How the cake begins? What is the beginning sound then? Cake. What is the beginning sound? Cake. Would you like to have a bite? How is it? It's yummy. Do you want to have a bite? Come on, open your mouth. Ah, it's cake. So in your home, you can also make cake with your mama and have the yummy cake. That's very yummy. Cake. So that was all cuttings. Okay, and children, look, someone is here. She was sitting here and she was crying. You didn't show it to me. This is, what is this? Cat. What is this? Cat. And cat also begins with k, k. Cat. Cat. K, k, cat. Good, pretty cat. And now all the cuttings are going, and we will see them later. Okay, cookies also going, everything is going. Now today you are going to practice your tracing. Okay, it's a small work that you have to do. You got the crayons, take any color that you want, take out your sound word book, the rainbow one, and in rainbow one you have to open, mamas please help them to open it. They will open page number 70. Okay, they will open this page, the clouds one. Just okay, so this page you will open page number 72 and you will do the tracing of these vertical lines. Okay, so you will take the crayons, and how do we hold crayons? You have to use your finger and thumb, hold it here, and this finger you will hold like this. If your child is not able to hold the crayon, please go to the pegging again, that exercise that I told you. Do the pegging again so they will get the grip. So hold your crayon just like you were holding the pegs. Hold your crayon and then you have to do the tracing nicely on the dot. I'll do it one on the board for you. Well, I'll do this.